kabang kerpat lengba jongpi ki media ki baju ya tre rengkat bangi ke government nak benta ban tip lam lang ki paj ba no snong jong jela ngakwa ban yathu ya pi ba hadu menta kasngi ka situation hapok jela jongi kam de ke babha kam bha nringim de pat bante kabang kerpat leng baju pi ngau bha ailem ya kena kubuat bat kabang ngakerpat na kalian ke surkar kalong ba ngi kerpat rit kum ke surkar ya uwei pakawei kinong sok snong na kejela jungi bakin yale kat bala ban numi than syabar lane banwan seslong lane banle chenong po lane syakanu kondo kejaka ke bakisne udai kam ke don kam banle lada mdei ka kam ka badon kam kin ngau ba ban take care lene ban yada ya ledi bat hadu mentang ho ngisngungu bau blei train krenat udon rengkat ban ngi kam pat don kata ka community spread henre nga ong ya pi ka situation kam bha hakane ka klipmat ka bang ngi ya kren bat pi kum kinong ai khobor na kementa ka jingtip jong ki pajba ka jela mekla te nak rak daw nga kerpat rit ya pis ngobha na kaliang jongi ka bangi kerpat rit ailem ya kan ki jingtip syaparo ki nong song snong ki jongi bakin long ki bahusian ki basumar ya ledi ya ka bom don kam ngobha wat yami wat yayat wat yeng keleng saudong kumbang ong pi knang bangila ban kontrol kat bala ya kajing sapriang uneu kenyang jingpang kita kimilayo sau puingut kita keladon matahapo guarantee center all of them tenrei nakaliang joka health department nakaliang joka team joki doctor ki nurses ki staff baro menta kidang ya kanika ka contact tracing and today evening decide ru hapo ka review meeting jongi ba idhs in I ke public notice yo manu ki yakendo bat kini ki breu yo kidon kanu ka kontak ka bayajan batno bakin ngau bahana do menta jan mit bakin immediately kin phone yau tu number sispa pra khnang ba ka health department ke sarkar kanla banle ia ka badon kam kata kade ka ba ngilarai meneru ba ka public notice will be issued by the health department requesting those people who happens to be in contact or in close contact with these persons who are already now in the quarantine centers in different places to kindly immediately report ban I report would call ya 108 kenang baka sarkar kanla banle ya kabadon kam nagadaw nga I warning biang menta ke janmit nakaliang go government we really mean business but ngidum ailat bakal lapsis kandon hang noang nuru lada kalong nakaliang ka official la kalong nagi pajba I'm telling you we should not allow this kind of things to happen today in the review meeting headed by our chief minister, we have discussed all the details, pros and cons of this specific event that has happened on the 27th, as well as when they come back, again small reception has taken place somewhere in Shillong. Immediately after coming back from that border Khanapara, straight again to Shillong. On the second day had one small reception of the bride and groom. So we discussed all the detail about this, and ultimately, because yesterday we have already instructed both the deputy commissioner to conduct inquiry to all these lapses that has happened. So tomorrow we are getting the report from both the deputy commissioner. One is East Castles and number 2 is Liboy district. And then once the report is in place, tomorrow we are going to take a decision finally. So right now, still I can't say who has committed lapses. That still we cannot say much. But I'm telling you, we have taken note of this from the government level, and we will make sure that no lapses again happens in future. The point, see, all the nitty-gritty will be only known tomorrow when the report is placed to the government. Once it is known, once we go through all the details of the inquiry report, then only we will come to a conclusion. But let me just tell you, let me warn today, this evening through all of you, kindly communicate this to all the citizens of the state. You cannot play, just please not play life. Anybody who are responsible, they'll be put to bar. That is the message that I would like to tell you. Anybody who does not comply the protocols, the notifications issued by the government from time to time, they will be put to bar. That's what I'm telling you. Please wait till tomorrow when we receive the inquiry report from both the deputy commissioners. Then only I'm telling you, we will be able to tell you exactly. In few issues like medical, or maybe somebody expired this, that, okay? It was there. That's what I'm telling you, why we immediately asked inquiry report from both the deputy commissioners, because we really wanted to know exactly why this incident has happened, why it has happened. Therefore, I'm telling you, be patient with us. We are also concerned and will not be able to sleep well also, just because of this incident that has happened, or just because of the errors which is unnecessary committed. I think that cannot be tolerated. Well, I think right now I will not say anything on that. But if the situation worsen, or if the situation continue to be grim, I think we have no option. This is a message I would like to tell you. Therefore, I would request, I would appeal to all the concerned citizens of the state, kindly refrain yourself to the maximum to the exposures which is unnecessary. Now we further strengthen the entry points, be it the armed forces, be it the civilian. They need to go through these two systems that we already have in place. Number one is, as I said to you, immediately rapid test has to be taken from the entry point, and thereafter RT-PCR sample will be collected.